Today we will be covering Lesson 8-2 on writing equations. Today this lesson is going to be split into 8 separate sections. Each section is very short, but again it is kind of time consuming because we have to break it up and chunk it so many times. So the first lesson or section of our lesson will actually cover question number 1. Now, on the previous slide, I pulled back in this diagram that we looked at in the previous lesson. In 8.1, this picture did come into play with this skate ramp and its railings. We're going to be looking at question number 1 to start. Question number 1 states, the equation of a line containing line segment BD. Now, BD is this line segment going right here. It says that equation is y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 4. It asks you to identify the slope and the y-intercept. The slope and the y-intercept. This shouldn't take you longer than 3 minutes to complete. So go ahead, pause your video. Please answer question number 1. The answers to question number 1 have now been provided. The answer for the slope is negative 2 over 3. The y-intercept is positive 4. Now, if we're just given the equation, recall that if it's written in this formula, y equals mx plus b, m represents the slope. So the coefficient of x is my slope. So in this case, that was negative 2/3. The number that stands alone, or my b, is the y-intercept. So in this case, it was a plus 4, so my y-intercept is positive 4. On to your debriefing question.